Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to go over Kaspa. So starting off on the weekly time frame, CAS is trading at 0.125. On the weekly time frame here, we can see that the price is hovering just around our 50% of our fib level after a sharp rejection from the 61% of our levels here. Now, this does significantly indicate a loss of momentum from its previous highs, as we see with our indicator of the RSI coming down to 41%. Now, this does reflect some bearish momentum here in the long term. The price is now trading below the 20 moving average, which is a shift from dynamic support to now resistance, which again is a critical sign that we have a wave of the bears coming in. Additionally, if we take a look at our MACD indicator that measures momentum, these bars and histograms remain negative here, showing again that confirmation of that bearish momentum. While volumes here have kind of tapered off, we haven't seen a burst of volume, so it does suggest a lot of hesitations in terms of the interest of the buyers and the sellers here. As we take a look at some of our possible reversals from our previous candlesticks, it does show a spinning top, which indicates a tug or war between the bulls and the bears. So the momentum of this downtrend may be losing some interest. If we do see a close of a strong bullish candlestick this week, it may show us some confirmation of this bottom support as a possible bounce or recovery. Now, quickly taking a look on our daily time frame here, we can see that the price is attempting to stabilize after recovering around our 50% of our fib, but it is struggling to gain some traction above our 20 moving average and our 50 moving average here. Now, the 50 moving average is acting as an immediate resistance line, just further reinforcing that bearish momentum. Now, the recent candlestick structure here shows a lot of indecision in the marketplace, with smaller bodied candles forming after each session. Now, taking a look at some of our RSIs, the indicators, the RSI here is roughly around the 56%. So it is potentially showing some bullish recovery. I want to say a jump closer to 60% will kind of show us some fluctuations in terms of possibly a bull rally on the daily time frame. But again, it still hasn't confirmed strength to push higher because we haven't seen a gust of volume. Now, when we take a look at supports here on the daily time frame, we're seeing around our 50% of our Fibonacci as an area of support. So keep in mind, a break below this level could definitely open doors to retest lower Fibonacci levels. Now, let's kind of zoom in on the 4-hour time frame. So CAS here shows just a temporary consolidation below the 61% of our fib. Now, after failing to sustain that momentum above our 20 moving average. And moving averages are quite important here. It does kind of show us the overall trend is continuing or is breaking. So retest of resistance lines or moving averages as resistance, and we break above it, that will show us a shift towards the bear side to the bulls, whereas break below our moving averages may tamper with the overall uptrend and may have a complete reversal down to the downtrend. So this is why it's really important here to kind of measure or take a look at some of the significance where the price is at when it comes to moving averages. Going back into some of our indicators, we see the RSI around 47% and is trending downwards. So this does show a lot of lack in terms of our bulls and amongst the traders, because we are coming down to an area of oversold, possibly oversold, where some interest in buyers may be able to pick it up around here and we may see a nice bounce or a recovery. Quickly taking a look at some of our other indicators here, we've got our MACD histograms. We can see that it's flattened, suggesting weak bullish momentum, and I don't really quite see any clear signs here for a bullish reversal quite yet. Again, taking a look at our RSI, if we do come down closer to the 30 or even below 30, we are considered as oversold, which buyers may be able to step in. Now, potential breakout scenarios here for CASA, if we revisit the daily time frame for CAS to regain bullish momentum, it does need to break above our 20 moving average on the daily time frame, roughly around the 12 cents, and push closer to the 50 moving average. Given that we have an uptick on our our volume. So successfully breaking the 61% of our Fibonacci level at the 13 cents would propel the price to 16. Again, that is very, very optimistic for price wise or breakout scenarios. If we do see a surge in terms of the volumes, it may be possible for it. And also keep an eye out for some bullish candlesticks around areas of resistance. Now, on the downside forecasts, if we take a look at our Fibonacci level, if we do fail to hold above our 50% of our Fibonacci, it does risk for further declines to our retracement levels. So it can come down closer to the 8 cents before we see any potential buyers step in for a nice reclaim and a nice recovery level. But let me know what you guys think down below. If you found the video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.